Hello Classywomen, my name is Aparna Rajawat and I'm founder of Pink Belt Mission. It's a non-profit which works for women's safety, empowerment and education. So far we trained 1.5 lakh, almost 150,000 women in India. We work for UP Police, 1090 Women Power Line, Women Commission of Rajasthan, Women and Child Care Development Ministry, Uttarakhand, and so many. Basically, I'm a self-defense trainer and I came here to teach you some steps of self-defense. I will not say 5, 6, I'll go and I'll see how many I can cover in limited time. That will give you that confidence that in any kind of danger out there you can save yourself. And I would say just share with your friends and family. I think this is the best liberty for any woman when they know they can protect, they can save themselves. So this self-defense is a few tips I'll just let you know, which is really useful, and spread it out. That would be great. So we can also create sisterhood all together. Classy women will be strong women. Hold your hand, same hand, right? If you exercise for that, you can come this side so you can take that, right? In that case, you need to just touch your ear, right? It seems very easy, but what happens if you just put a body pressure, like any pressure here, it's not gonna come out. This will not come out. What is the door? Only this. So all the pressure should be that way. Someone hold from the down. In that case, just touch your ear. Someone, second technique, someone hold your hand, hold it. In that case, make this stance, go down and touch your elbow with his elbow. Not possible in that case because hand cannot flip of him, right? Third, with the same, make a 90 angle, keep your elbow in his elbow and this, right? Again, so these are 3 techniques, 1, 2 and 3, right? If cross hand, come this side, better. Open your hand, flip it. Go at the side at the same time. Done. Again. Flip and step. Done. Right? Again, the second technique. Hold your hand, just angle on the top, like elbow on the top. Hold your hand, and you cannot like pressure this way. So where is that door? This. So you have to pressure this way. Right? Do it again. Here you go. Hold your hand and do, right? Someone hold your hand from the down. In that case, is you are just collecting something like that. So you go like this, at the same time you take a step at the side. This. So look at this. We came on the doorway. And then you can do this one more time. We just go like this, you're collecting some water or something, and here you go and die. If someone is holding hand from the top, in that case, your elbow, go on his elbow. Take a step at the side, right? This. And his hand come under your armpit. And this, right? Someone is holding you, your neck. The 2 exercise. One is easy one, do your hand and go. And second, if he's very powerful, in that case, you have to twist before that, sorry. Do your hand next to your ear, both of them, twist it, and on his elbow, this, right? Someone try to grab your collar. In that case, what you need to do, wrist this, your hand should go under his arm, like this, right? Second, if someone is holding you from the back, in that case, open your leg, go down, hold his leg and take it up, right? And someone is holding you from the back, just your arms like this, right? In that case, you need to just flip your body. Seems very easy, but it really works because once your whole body goes, slide, gone. Again, take your whole body pressure and gone, right? Someone is grabbing your hair from the back. Hold your hand and then you go on the left and take this tube. Right? Do it one more. 1 and 2. So I hope you like my video and it is useful for you, and I hope that this video will bring a little change in your life from now. What we do in women's safety, I personally believe that a strong, strengthened, empowered woman is when she is empowered in 5 dimensions. Emotionally, mentally strong. She should be aware of all her legal rights. This is a world of technology and everything is on digital platforms. So she should know about her rights. She should know how to make herself safer by all threats when it comes to internet. So digital strength is needed, and after that it comes to physical strength. If I'll teach just a self-defense or the way we are raised by our family, I'm not talking about us. Maybe we are so blessed to born in such a family which has very sound financial or educational background, big cities, but every woman is not blessed like us. And I'm talking about every woman of this country when I'm talking on this platform. So the way most of the women are raised in this country, by telling them they're so fragile, they're weak, they're secondary citizen than their gender counterparts. I think if we give them even a loaded gun, if mentally they're not strong, they can't do anything with that. So physical strength comes later. First, mental or emotional strength is very much needed, and that kind of women we can call, they are strengthened, they are empowered, and they are strong women. Those are future of this nation. Guys, why it is needed? As per National Crime Bureau report till 2016, every 30 minutes one woman face rape in India. Every day 6 women face gang rape. Every month 29 women are victims of acid attack. You know, acid attack doesn't take a life, it takes away soul of the person, because we meet this kind of people every other day and we work for them. And after that, it is more than 65 dowry death every month. This is what is the current situation. Now that recently the report came from NCRB, now it is not 13 minutes, it's 16 minutes. But it is not a victory, is it? But you know what is the biggest victory for Pink Belt is? Not training only 150,000 women. We made Guinness World Record on 19 February 2020 by having more than 12,500 women at one spot at Agra Sports Stadium. 7,401 women made Guinness World Record for largest self-defense class. And that certificate of Guinness World Record was not that worth. Worth was when that many women came together in Agra kind of small city, standing for themselves and for each other. So at least we can create that kind of sisterhood in India. And I would say Agra is becoming so different now, because now people start learning to be for each other. And when we leave this who cares kind of attitude, I think if every city there are 4,000-5,000 women will be standing together, we don't have to beg for justice. Justice will come to us. And that is what Pink Belt Mission does. Not only training, strengthening women, even creating sisterhood. And I'm here to just lit the spark, and wanted to make my kind of so many people, so that one day we can enlighten this whole country. And last but not the least, I would like to express my gratitude towards Group and also Classywomen to give me this opportunity so I can interact with all lovely ladies of Classywomen. Thank you so much.